Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to customize Roblox avatar. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head to the avatar section on your Roblox. Then you want to simply click on the avatar editor where you can play around with the characters, the head and body, the clothing, the accessories, the emotes, animations, and many, many more. Then if you simply go ahead and select the category that you want to explore, you can simply go ahead and choose items like head and body has a bunch of different hairstyles that you can choose. All you need to do is simply go ahead and purchase it, and then you can simply go ahead and have it on your character. It's the same for clothing as well. It's the same for back, the gear, the waist, the shoulder, the neck, and so on and so forth. So once you do that, you can also adjust your body scale. You can change your body type. You can also change the height, width, head size, and proportions. And you can simply go ahead and try out and preview and save your avatar. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you